Hello, I'm Dave from MCP Labs. In this one, I'm going to build an AI support agent from scratch just by talking to Claude. This is a real feature we're going to use on the MCP Labs website. I've got Claude Desktop here with the MCP Labs n8n server connected. I'm just going to check everything is working. So it read the skill file, checked the connection to my n8n instance on Railway, and shows me a nice table of my credentials. OpenAI and Supabase. No guessing, it's looking at what is on my instance. These credentials are all we need to build the agent, so let's jump in. I'm just going to describe what I want in plain English, no messing with node configs, no reading docs, and no dragging things around. The prompt I'm going to put in is I would like you to build me a support agent workflow that has a webhook that accepts post requests with a question field using an AI agent node with ChatGPT-4 and a system prompt. You are a helpful support assistant for MCP Labs. Be friendly and concise. Give the agent Supabase tool so it can look up the answers from my knowledge base table. Add simple memory so it can remember the conversation. Return the AI response via a responser webhook node. Use my existing OpenAI and Supabase credentials. Set the webhook path to support chat. Nice, that's done, so let's test it. This is the cool bit. I can test the whole thing right here without leaving Claude. It executes the workflow, registers the webhook, and sends the question in. Nice, and it's received the response. Solo, £19, Pro 49, Agency, 99. That's real data from our Supabase knowledge table. The agent queried the table, found the pricing, and sent it back through the webhook. And it's as easy as that. Built, tested and working without even having to open n8n. And if I pop over to n8n and refresh the page, here's the workflow, MCP Labs support agent. Here's all the nodes with everything connected. The webhook is set to post, and the path is set to support chat. AI agent with our system prompt. You're a helpful support assistant for MCP Labs. Be friendly and concise. OpenAI chat model, GPT-4 Mini. The memory node for conversation history. And the Supabase tool for reading from our knowledge base table. It's set to get many, and the table name is set to knowledge base. And the respond to webhook node, all built by Claude in about 2 minutes. No generated JSON you import and hope works, built directly in the instance using nodes it verified exist and credentials it checked were there. Now let's see it in action. I've activated this workflow and it's now running as our actual support agent on the MCP Labs website. I'll ask it how to connect to Claude Desktop. Nice, we've got a full setup guide, the config.json there, troubleshooting tips, all pulled from the knowledge base. The same workflow we just built is handling real customer questions right now. So that's it, a proper AI support agent built from a single prompt, now running in production on our site. Because Claude has a live MCP connection to our n8n instance, it's working with what's actually there, real nodes, real credentials, real data. If you want to try building with your own n8n instance, the link is in the description. You should be up and running in about 5 minutes. I'm Dave from MCP Labs and thank you for watching.